Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have one of my favorite things I get each month, and that is here's my Ipsy Boxycharm. And it's full of all kinds of stuff. So let's get to it. All right. Let's take a look at the inside. Let's see what we got here. Guys, I don't have just the normal items, but I have more because I got a lot of add-ons this time, of course. They had some really good deals though. So the 350 items were really great. So anyway, this month it says welcome home. Okay, so this month it says, welcome home. This month, come out of hibernation to embrace a dreamy new world filled with heavenly makeup, planet-positive babes, and vitamin-powered skincare to bring out your inner glow. So, there it is. And it shows some of the power picks, what we could get. I rarely get the ones I really want, unfortunately. There we go. And so my first power pick, and I'm going to show my choices too. I'll show them up on the screen. But my first power pick is, and it's not real big, but because it's an eye cream from First Aid Beauty. This right here is, I think it's a $30 value. It's a full-size eye cream. Fine lines, puffiness, dryness. This fast-absorbing eye cream helps address them all thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid, depuffing caffeine, and soothing colloidal oatmeal. So actually, I'm kind of in need of a new eye creams. Anyway, so I'll try this. I'm kind of excited to use that. So it's okay. It wouldn't have been my pick, but then again, I can use it. So there's the first item. The next item that was their power pick for me was the Pretty in Paradise Violet Voss palette. Now, I usually always want the palettes and go for them, but this one just didn't look too exciting to me. They had a cheek palette that was a blush, like a cheek palette that looked actually more exciting to me. So I ended up picking it up in the add-ons, of course. But this is Pretty in Paradise. I think this is, they say it's a $43 value. And it's just not, the color story just doesn't really excite me. So I'm wondering, I probably am not even going to, it's kind of nice for a neutral look, but I have so many, it's actually not bad, but I have so many other things that I like to use that I might end up putting this in a giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch it, but there's that. So the next thing I have here is we're going to go to my first pick. And my first pick was, now I have no idea why I picked this. Right now I'm not looking at, I have pictures of my choices, which I'll put up, but I don't have them handy here. So this is the Lithe, L-I-T-H-E, High Definition Gel Eyeliner. Now, I have been in search of good eyeliners, and I finally have some now that I like, but I've come to the conclusion that I definitely like the gel eyeliners. And this one's a long-lasting, so I like that. There it is. So, I think one end has... it has like a brush, a little brush, which I've never really seen that on eyeliner. So you can get kind of smudge, or it says it helps with if you want to do a wing or whatever. So there's that. Not the most exciting thing. I'm wondering now what else they had in the category, because I might have wanted that instead. But anyway, this was valued at $26. It is a full-size product. Okay, so the next thing I have here is the second pick I had. And I must not have been super crazy about my picks, but now I want to go back and look at them because there might be something else. There was one thing I kind of regretted that I didn't get, and it was a translucent powder. But this is from Misho Beauty, and it's 2 lip liners, and I liked the colors. I do use lip liners a lot. I think they're pretty great. And the colors on here seem to be good colors for me. They look really similar. Let's see. These were valued at $18. There's 1, 2. So they're not too different. They kind of look like the Pillow Talk color. But anyway, so that was my second pick. And my third pick was from Ofra Cosmetics. I have a hard time turning down something from Ofra. This was a higher value product. I think it's, let's see, it's $35 value, and they call it the South Beach Bronzer. Let's see if I can get it open here. It's a 2-tone bronzer. I love their highlighters and use their highlighters. So this is just a bronzer, which is great. So anyway, I'm happy with that. It's a good product. Heavy, good case. Anyway, so that's that. So here's my 2 power picks right here. And then the Ofra, the lip liner, and the eyeliner were my picks. So there's that. So there's my 5 items. I also get a beauty boost. I didn't get one last month. I don't know why, but anyway, my beauty boost was from Tarte, and it's huge. It's the Man-Eater palette, the eyeshadow palette. I haven't looked at it yet, but let's see. I love Tarte. I love Tarte Cosmetics. Some of their eyeshadows can't be beat. So let's get into here. This eyeshadow palette, I think it's valued at, let me look it up for you. So it's got a really fun case. That's what it looks like there. And the value of this is oh my gosh, this is so fabulous. This is a $52 palette. Oh my gosh, these colors, some of these colors are amazing. Look at these gold and the golden, oh my gosh. Those two. Then we have a lot in my color range that I like. They look about the same, but one's a real shimmer. Oh my gosh, there's just this down here. There. Okay, I'm excited to use this palette. I'll probably do a try on with it. So anyway, there's that. So that was a good power pick. For, you know, I got a $52 palette for $15. That's not bad. So anyway, there's that. So now let's get to all of our add-ons. And like I said, they had a ton of $3 or $3.50. I think they had both prices actually, products. And I'm going to show you the expensive ones I got first. I did splurge again. I already have one, but I wanted another one when you can get it at that price. The Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Okay, so I'm having a hard time getting off that lip liner, so it has staying power, right? Okay. Let's go to the Charlotte Tilbury. Let's see. So it's just their Beautiful Skin foundation. It's $49 value. So once again, if you can get that for $30 off. I think I paid $18 for it. So that'd be $31 off. So there's that. And I actually have that on today. I do want to share, I did a Charlotte Tilbury, a complete look with Charlotte Tilbury makeup. It's been a goal of mine to do that this year, so I did succeed at that. I will be sharing the video probably later, later in the week. So anyway, that's coming up. So that was fun. So the next thing I have here was another thing I paid, I think maybe $12 for. And it is I went ahead and got the Moon Prism blush palette from Lunar Beauty. Okay, it's got lunar looking stuff on the front. These are kind of raised. Then we get inside and here's our blushes. So looks like you could be a couple of bronzers on the end. So it's just a really pretty palette. Yeah, so anyway, there's that. And the next thing I think I have that I paid more than $3.50 for. There was one more thing in here, and it was also, I think, one of the picks, but it didn't come up on mine. And this is the Better Than Sex Too Faced. It's the priming mascara, and I have several of their regular mascaras, which I like. So I will try this first and use the others on top. So I'm really excited about that. I think that was also $12. So these are my three I paid more for. These three items. So let's get to the $3.50 items. Okay, I'm just going to pull them out one by one. This right here is a liquid blush by, let's see, who's that by? Ace Beauty. I just pick up these little things because they're so inexpensive and they're kind of fun. So it's just a small little blush. It's got the doe foot. I kind of like blushes with doe foot. Okay, I think I'm not going to open it now. But anyway, there it is. So it's really pretty. I like the color. So $3.50. Anyway. And then the next thing I have here is, what one is this? This is Kiss and Smeek. Now, some of these I saw these were in the glam bag. So I did pick up some things that I didn't get in the glam bag that I saw people get that looked good. So it's just a lip gloss. I like it. I like the color. So there's that. Kind of has a fruity taste, so that's kind of fun. The next thing is just the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, which is my favorite. I love this pencil. It is a smaller size, but that's okay because I really like it. So there's that brow pencil, and it's also a good one. It's real small and thin, so you can take it traveling or whatever. So like that. The next thing I have here is Amalfi Gold. What is this? Is this Dew of the Gods? Yes. And it's an oil that's basically hair gold. So it's just a small hair oil. I'm excited about it. I like Dew of the Gods. Again, this is a good travel for if you like to just take a little hair oil when you travel. So there's that. And the last thing I saved is the best. I don't know. I'm excited to open this because this was so inexpensive, like $3. And it looks pretty wonderful. Let's see. This is the Seraphine Botanicals. And it is a lip and cheek palette. And I just think it's really kind of a nice palette for only $3. So it's Rhubarb and Rose from Seraphine. I do have some Seraphine products that I do like. So, okay, there they are. So that's fun. Blushes or lip. So cool. I'm not going to dig into them now, but there we go. So yeah, so that's my cheap items. Let me know, what do you think of my add-ons? These $3 items. We've got the lip, we've got the hair oil, the cheek and lip tint, the Benefit brow wax, the, what is this? The liquid blush. It was so cute. And is that it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, so those are my cheap items. Then I've got the 3 more expensive items. So I did actually get 8 add-ons this time. So it was like getting another box. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.